What can this little corgi do?
Turn it on. Wow, it's making so many bubbles. That is amazing.
Wow, this little corgi is really impressive. Hi everyone, I'm Yuri.
Hi everyone, I'm Xena. Welcome to YX Kids Lab. Today I made a super cute corgi bubble machine. It looks like a little corgi, but it has two fun secrets. The first secret is that it can make lots and lots of bubbles. The second secret is that it can blow bubbles and wobble like a tumbler.
Let's test it.
Wobble happy.
Look, it doesn't fall over. How was it made?
Science is so much fun. Come build it with me. Let's build it together. Tada! I finished building it.
That works really well.
Now we can test the bubble machine. Turn it on. Look, the bubbles are coming out.
The bubbles look beautiful.
Let me see if I can catch this bubble. These bubbles look like tiny colorful stars.
Wow, you caught so many. I'll make a tumbler wobble now. That motion works nicely.
It's so cute.
The air pushes the bubble liquid out and turns it into lots of bubbles.
So this little corgi has science secrets inside.
If you like this cute corgi bubble machine, remember to subscribe.
We'll make even more fun science toys. The little corgi is making bubble rain. Today's cute corgi bubble machine is a success.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bubbles! Wow, so many bubbles. So pretty. I can still play with the bubble. There are so many bubbles.